Shopify is a very great platform to sell your products. It's a very good online store that can help you to share your own product and take some commission and earn some money online. What you can do is to disable and close your Shopify account. That's very simple. Just you have to follow some step by step guideline. You have to go to the Shopify store admin panel. Here we go to setting, and you can see on the screen the plan navigation bar. Clicking on that, you will see deactivate store. After clicking on that, simple, you'll be able to disable your account. If you are unsure about will you come again or not, then what you can do is disabling store. Just pause it. After clicking on the pause and build, you can pause your store. Pausing will help you to come again, which is like disabling your Instagram but for some temporary time. So yeah, Shopify can be disabled in simple steps by following that. You can also do it temporarily or you can do it permanently. It's totally up to you, and I'll see you in the next one.